In this video, I'm going to show you how you can show your FPS in your games using MSI Afterburner. So the first thing you need to do is go and install MSI Afterburner to your computer. Once you've installed this application, we can simply open up the executable file, and then you'll need to go through the steps to install this to your computer. Now, when you get to this part of the installation, make sure to also install RivaTuner Statistics Server, and then go and press Next. Click on Next again, and just go through the steps to install this to your system. So once you've installed this application, we can simply open it up on your computer. Then click on the settings icon on the left hand side, click on monitoring, and then scroll down this list until you see the option for frame rate. Now when you see frame rate, we're just gonna make sure it has this tick icon next to it, and then click on the option for show in on-screen display, and you can decide whether you want this as text, graph, or text and a graph. I'm just gonna leave this as text and press apply and OK. And once you've done that, you can then go launch up your game, and you'll now be able to see the FPS counter. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.